Aditya, and let me walk through my solution, Ayushman AI. What we're trying to do is an AI system that streamlines the patient doctor journey by automating the documentation creation, patient intake, and a post consultation rack system that will help both doctor and patient as well. So, coming to the documentation section, you'll find an overview about our project and a pain point. What we're trying to do is like a normal consultation lasts for 30 minutes. And if we can cut down 5 minutes by our solution, we can save a lot of time for other consultations and more patient to take care by the doctors. Another thing is after consultation, patient often seeks answers in online, which can be very risky affair. Then again, after consultation, doctor sometimes wants to visit their own patients and figure out what was the issue. And this is where the rack system can be very helpful. Our solution, basically, this is the overview of our solution. Our solution is divided into three phases. First phase is a pre-consultation workflow. Let me give a brief. Patients calls to healthcare, and AI or human assistant receives the calls. We record the voice. The conversation is then converted into a transcript. The transcript is then sent to LLM. For example, what's an AI? That LLM analyzes the data, creates a payload, and sent to our database. Basically, they are creating a proper intelligent uh, appointment. Next, it that AI also is creating a post pre-consultation report for doctor to review. At the same time, the transcript is then saved to Astra DB, which is a vector database for later RAG retrieval. Coming to the lang flow, where is our the dashboard, and then what we do is create a blank flow, import. Now this is the first phase, pre-consultation phase. So what we have here is a patient name, Nitish Rana. He has been suffering from high fever for past 3 days and seeking consultation for relevant doctor for specializing the treatment. We will run the flow. Let me explain the flow. We have a text input. This node creates a transcript. This particular node is the intelligent agent that creates the payload and sent via API call. At the same time, this transcript is sent to a ingester via like AstaDB, for example. Workflow ran successfully. If you check, this is the conversation. This is the payload which has been sent. Okay, great. Verify the payload. We have this API notebook. We will run this and this. This call gets me all the information. This creates a table. Say Nitish Rana. Now for Nitish Rana, we'll get the appointment ID. We'll paste it here. After running that cell, we have the clinical summary. Coming to the consultation phase two, that is consultation flow. We had the summary. We got the summary report that this has been sent to doctors for pre-consultation report. Then in the consultation phase, the real-time recording will be done in audio stream. That the consultation between doctor and patient will be recorded and sent to a text, and that will be sent to Astra DB and analysis for LLM, and a structured clinical report will be generated. Coming to the phase 2 of the report, here we will insert the appointment ID of Nitish Rana. Now, Mr. Rana, we will learn the flow for the Mr. Rana, and this particular node generates a conversation. This particular node generates the report from the conversation, and this node will send the API which will update our database. For example, in case this particular column. After running the successful, you'll see the response has been sent. And to check that whether it was sent or whether it was a summary report was created, we will go to the notebook again. We'll come to the section 5 and paste the summary report. I mean the consultation. Now, the consultation report. Dr. Kumar was a doctor, Nitish Rana, that patient, and the patient had high fever, etc., etc., and history of present, past illness, physical examination. The entire prescription was generated from the transcript. I'm sorry this is taking more than 5 minutes, but we're almost done. So phase three is the where we do the RAG system. I don't need to explain the RAG system. We have the data, the pre-consultation transcript and the consultation transcript in the vector database. Doctors and patient can use the chatbot and get the RAG system. Okay, coming to the phase three of the uh, Langflow. Of so suppose what is the clinical summary of Nitish Rana. Nitish Rana Patel. Okay, finish editing. Just confirm it again. Okay, we will run the rack system. After the completion, yeah, clinical said Nitish Rana, high fever 3 days. Dr. Kumar was responsible. That's all. Okay, so this is the all whatever this is the what we have done. So this is the technology stack, the AI models that we have used, project structures, prompts that have been used, future scope, we can create a front end, voice agent using retail level apps. The speech part is can be used by Google search, and yeah, there is a potential for SaaS application as well. So that's all about this project, Ayushman AI. Sorry it took time more than what was assigned, but please forgive me for that. And thank you so much for giving this opportunity.